Welcome to Advanced 3D Typography Techniques in Photoshop. My name is Rabi and I'll be leading you through this course. Over a number of years of working on graphic design and creative retouching projects, I've had a tremendous knowledge of Photoshop and retouching, and I know exactly how frustrating and overwhelming it can be trying to learn Photoshop. But after following along with this course, you'll be ahead of the game in terms of creating real-world projects that involves 3D and typography in Photoshop. I will walk you step by step on how to create a 3D typography poster and teach you my secret techniques. I have created several courses before on Udemy and taught over 11,000 students how to master Photoshop. Creating projects with Photoshop's 3D features can be a little bit tricky and intimidating, and there's not much tutorials out there that teaches you the full potential of what you can really achieve with this software. That is why I created this course. This course is for existing Photoshop users who wants to expand their knowledge and design skills of the software. Throughout the course, you will learn how to create 3D objects and apply materials to them, how to create reflections and realistic shadows, I'll be showing you how to enhance a 3D object by adding advanced layer style on top, how to create a realistic dripping effect, how to combine multiple 3D objects, how to create directional light source and shadows and apply lighting effects. And lastly, I will introduce you to an exclusive custom 3D typography technique. So there's no reason for you to hesitate because you are backed up by a 30-day money-back guarantee in case you didn't like the course. But I'm sure you will find something useful for you regardless of your previous experience. And feel free to take a look at the free preview videos and check the course description to get an idea of what's inside. So enroll now, and I'm looking forward to see you inside.